You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, T to the M to the IDD? And today is a very exciting day. I have finally reached 1,000 subscribers.
Put some respect on my name.
And we have
Natalia.
in the house.
And then this.
Yeah, I love that right there. Is that like silver or is it more like
Like gold.
That's fire right there. Esta sesión is in English, natty with a baddie. ¿Tú sabes?
No.
No? Put your hand. Yeah.
Fresh, right?
Yeah, you go a little bit.
Okay, perfect.
So,
Okay.
something like that. Hold that right there.
Hello? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Just come to me like this.
Alright.
I got you. Yeah, perfect.
This some fire B-roll. Oh, hold up. You ain't have to turn up like that. Let me got you. Oh, you talking about us working you out? You working yourself out. Hold on, look at the pose. My bad. T-Man take this shit serious, boy.
You like the architecture.
I love architecture.
Yeah. I like the architecture. Hey, don't be trying to hit on my shine, man. You know what I'm saying? You already know how I do.
What's up, man? Good to see you, man.
Hey, how you doing?
All your stuff, man.
I appreciate you, man.
I saw your, just got here. You know, you went to the gym to work out.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I got to work out every day.
Yeah, where are you from, man?
I'm from D.C.
DC?
Yeah.
All right. My name is Sean, man.
Sean?
All right, brother.
T-Man, man. I appreciate you watching.
All right.
And just give me fierce all the way through, because I'm going to shoot you all the way through. When you get to the middle, then you can stop, give me a boom, boom, boom. Like you in the mirror taking a selfie, all that good stuff, all right?
Okay.
All right.
Look at the camera the whole time?
Yeah,
Okay.
Look at the camera the whole time. 1, 2, let's go. Perfect. Oh, okay. Look back at it, okay. Yeah, keep that pose right there. I like that pose. 1, 2. Yep. 1, 2. I like that. No, that's perfect. Okay, she doing something over there. T to the L, what's going on, man?
Hey, I'm calling you out on that.
Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, so I know they're first cousins, so this is gonna be a good reaction right here. Let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, I am recording. All right, let's get her live feedback. She don't know that I'm linking with them in Kentucky, so this is gonna be funny.
All right, here we go. Hey. All right, listen.
What?
Just say you about to do this.
Thank you. So do you. You look beautiful.
What's wrong?
We're about to do a shoot.
Huh?
We're about to do a shoot. Me, Promise, and Faith.
Y'all about to do a shoot?
Yeah.
What type of shoot?
It's like vibes, like, you know. But the photographer says he knows you.
Does he?
Let's see.
How he know me?
He pulled up to Kentucky.
Hey, I'm Liberty. I'm from Houston, and my Instagram is Liberty Monet with 2 T's.
I'm Asia. I'm from Houston as well, and my Instagram name is Classy as Asian.
Hi, I'm Samara Marie. Okay. And I'm Janelle, and we're from Houston, Texas.
Right, we're gonna get some entertainment from them. Yeah, y'all know any good jokes?
Okay, I got this one.
Okay.
Why is the chicken so famous?
I don't know. You gotta tell me.
Because.
Now, let's hop into what we actually got when Nikon sent this to me. As we can see, it was packaged very nicely with a nice note, right? I love the packaging, very exciting. And they sent me the creator's kit. So here we have the camera with everything that it came with, okay? Just give me like a twirl with it. Yep. How was that?
That was a risk.
A risk.
Because I almost drowned a couple times.
Wow.
But it was worth it. The pictures are gonna be super cute. And yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be worth it, y'all.
Until the next outfit.
Yeah, we'll see you in a couple minutes.
So who else is in Florida? Because we have to create and recreate, which is a long story, but I promise it'll make sense like when the time comes to tell that story. But we have
Me. Hey y'all, I'm back.
back.
In Florida, Boca Raton. What is up?
Are you going back to Kentucky?
No.
Just like that. Yeah, just like that. All right, let's go. How you all doing? I want your opinion.
My opinion?
Yeah, what you think?
Oh, I love that. That's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, T-Man. Hey, what's going on, man?
How you doing? Good. So you covering up for the rain, man?
Yo, what's good with you, boy?
What's going on, man?
Good, man. Welcome. Hey, man, it's good to have T to the M to the I, D, D in the building, coming to represent. As you guys know, we're here in Portrait, DC.
You need me to hold it for you?
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, gotcha. Just let me know where I need to go.
Yo, actually, you're perfect.
Okay.
Camera, you gotta change it. Hopefully everybody's on the same page. So change your pose. You can stay in the middle, the way you pose it, young man, and then the ladies will change. All right, let's go.
Yeah, let us know. What's the setup over here?
So, for one, I'm shooting with Sony A7.
Okay.
No, excuse me. Yeah, Sony A7 IV with the Godox trigger. Got the 8200 on this one. Got the Godox V1 on this one.
Okay.
Go ahead, you get some shots. I'm
Action with it.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Stupid.
That's all right. Yeah, you can get it. Oh, I do? Yeah. Christmas is Christmas, baby. Can I break dance right there? Where the music at? We don't need that music. We don't need that music. Come on, Sam. Oh, I like that. I need 2 more girl gifts. We need 2 more girl gifts. Ho, ho, ho.